Give me a bowl. Bowl. Ow! Where's your bowl? Where is Sadie's bowl? Ow! Are you
Frank,
crying?
one of the things that in Blaine's interview with